crew in Southwest Airlines, welcome to Dallas. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened, your seat backs and tray tables in their full upright and locked position, and your carry-on items right where they are. Once the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign, please be careful when opening the overhead bins. Items do tend to shift during flight and could fall out. You may now use the cellular function of your small portable electronic devices, but please remain seated and leave your carry-on stowed. Please be advised that the aircraft doors will be open during ground servicing. For your safety, please ensure that you and any children you are supervising remain clear of the front and back doors. If you are connecting here to another Southwest flight,